Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to do the smart parking assist from the outside of the vehicle. So we are in drive right now and I want to choose one of these two spots to park the car in. We press and hold this button and it'll tell us drive slowly forward and keep close to the side on which you want to park. So I want to park on my left side, so I keep close to the left and I start driving slowly until it detects the parking spot. Once it detects the parking spot, the vehicle will ask me to exit the vehicle and use the key. Alright, see, parking spot detected. Now we press that and it says to control parking from outside of the vehicle, shift to P. So we're going to shift to P, park, leave the vehicle, keep the smart key, close all doors, press and hold the forward or backward button on the smart key. Here's the smart key, here's the forward and backward button. Now we're in park, we're gonna exit the vehicle. Let's go. All right, so I just exited the vehicle and I wanna park in that spot. So we're going to hold the park to the back, press and hold this and watch the car park itself. See, here we go, right? This is, I'm keeping the key right here so you can see. There's no driver in the seat. I'm gonna trust it not to hit that other one. There you go. See, I'm not letting go of this. So you can see, right? This is a real life test. This is how this system works. You want the car to park itself, this is how it's done. See, there's no driver in the driver's seat. Listen to that noise. That is the noise the EV makes, because there's no sound coming. So the speakers have to sound alerting you that there's a vehicle moving. So I have not let go of the button. The vehicle will park itself and it'll put itself in park and let me know when it's done. Like that. Now it's adjusting itself. Okay. Okay. Wow, that's pretty cool. There we go. There's your self-parking Hyundai Ioniq 5. There it is, guys. The vehicle turns itself off and you're good to go. Hope you enjoyed that. Thank you so much for watching.